Hello, how are you? If you came to this video and because you are interested in knowing more about hearing aids Cortexi. My name is Rafaela and I came to give you some important information that you need to know before making the purchase of Cortexi. But first I will give you a warning. As this product is very well known and popular, there are many replicas and non-original sites selling this product, so if you are interested, I will leave the official site link in the video description. We know that hearing loss can impede speech understanding and the ability to distinguish between sounds, which can lead to communication problems, social isolation, and even other more serious illnesses. The hearing aid Cortexi is a product developed with 100% natural ingredients, with the main objective of helping people who suffer with hearing problems. Some of the ingredients that make up the Cortexi hearing aid are grape seed, green tea, Maca root and Chromium Picolinate. All of these ingredients aid hearing health, improve blood flow to the ears, have neuroprotective properties, and are antioxidants that protect the ears. As stated by the manufacturing company, Cortexi is designed to provide superior and long-lasting results. To get results, you have to take the treatment seriously, because if you don't follow it, you will probably get frustrated. So, keep in mind that every body reacts in a unique way. Another important thing is that the Cortexi hearing aid has absolutely no side effects, since its ingredients are 100% natural. Most importantly, it is FDA approved and manufactured in a GMP certified facility. How long will it take to get results with Cortexi? According to the company that manufactures it, some customers already start feeling a difference after the first week, but the best results come when you take Cortexi consistently for 3 months or longer, to improve your entire system. What is the best way to take Cortexi? Simply place a full dropper under your tongue in the morning before breakfast or dissolve a dropper in a glass of water and you will love the results. As we are seeing, the official site of Cortexi has many good and positive reviews. How do I get Cortexi? When you buy the Cortexi hearing aid from the official site, you will receive a special discount. In addition, if you order 3 or 6 bottles, you will receive 2 free bonuses, and to help you, I left the link to the official site in the video description and in the comments fixed. Thanks for watching so far and have a good treatment.